Can you scale him?
Let's see.
Oh, I'll catch him further here. Is that on Boston?
Yeah, a
Yeah.
piece of Boston.
Yeah, man.
He's nothing real big.
Yeah, so it's, yeah.
But whatever. Takes a little few minutes. It seemed like they pecked on it a little bit, and then he finally ate it.
Right, right.
It's a long way up here. 123 feet on this one. Moved a little bit from our last spot.
A little bit of a one.
Snapper.
Nice.
No, wait a minute.
Something different?
Yeah, this is
That
a.
ain't a snapper. Bring that in there. That's a keeper something.
I think that's a little mutton. It's got a spot on it.
Look, he's yellow. I wonder how big they gotta be.
I don't know.
Throw them in the cooler. Throw them in the cooler.
But look at that.
Throw them in the bait well and we'll look them up in a
See that?
pretty fish. I'll find that in though.
I don't have any idea. It's got that dot on it.
Yeah.
Might be a mutton.
There's a, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to keep thinking in my head. Fish. I'll have to look it up here in a second. Come on, fish, hit that bait. Eat it. I'm working with it. Been down there long enough.